see a little crystal ball right here? I'm gonna do a small meditation with this crystal ball, and I hope you just enjoy the show. So guys, this is the last show of tonight. Are you ready for my show?
Ready!
Okay, thank you for your and just take one step forward. We'll make a nice circle together. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. You good? Is it a good view to see this? Not the best view, but you're welcome to join the VIP. There's some seats still available, but just feel free. Right? Let's go. This is the last show of the night.
Inailaw ng bahay, tibay ng puso. Hinahil ang bahay, tibay ng puso. Mga kamay mong pala ng alaala, tas ang ngit na hinahon. Inubura ang sikalot, nagtatabang doon tumunanin. May liham na tinatago sa ilalim ng unpas. Kasalapin iba sa gitna ng gabi, ikaw ang lulubong naiisip, di kang ipasasalamat. Kahit malayo ang lalastapan, natahak ko, dala ko ayong tinig. Magtiyaga, sabi mo, at lumalakas ang loob kong susunod. Inailaw ng bahay, tibay ng puso. Inailaw ng bahay, tibay ng puso. Naalala ko ang bisig mong pagod, gabi-gabi na hinaplos mo ang aking ulo. Sabi mong magtiyaga, nagtiyak, darating ang araw. Iyon ang pangakong bitbit ko sa bawat pagsubok, sa bawat pag-uwi. Nasa akong dibdib na tinatanim ang tapang, dala ang pag-asa mong sabi. Inailaw bahay, tibay ng puso. Sa pag-ibig mong dalisay, sa puso ko'y nananatili. Ikaw ang awit at gabay. Ang mga yapak, inailaw ng bahay, tibay ng puso. Hinahil ang bahay, tibay.
This little crystal ball is just a ball made by acrylic. It looks very easy, but I have to say that I have practiced for already 10 years. Do you enjoy the show?
Yeah!
May I ask something before I start the show? So, 識聽廣東話俾啲聲我。If you are English speaker, please make some noise. So, 有没有讲普通话的朋友？嗨，谢谢你的回应。After the show, I have seen some people just join, so let me introduce myself quickly again. My name is Lai Yi, and I come all the way from Hong Kong. 我個名叫麗儀，我嚟自香港嘅馬戲表演者。So today, I bring something I love very most. I'm gonna dance with this big wheel. Before I start the show, may I ask people over here just come a little bit closer. We make a nice.
Sa bawat hibla ng hangin, may alaali humahaplos. Lumang litrato sa mesa, ngiti mo sa dapit hapon.